Hey guys, Mason here with Carns Equipment. What we have here is this actually pretty nice 2005 Kawasaki Prairie 700. Yes, it is a 700. It's a V-twin. Now it does have some accessories like the gun rack up here. You do have some pod lights right up the front here. You got a full rack system, nice little bumper, hand guards by Mayer. This thing's actually pretty cool. Fires right up. You know, if you're looking for a nice utility ATV, whether if you want to take it on the road, trails, or if you just want something around the house, farm, something to use for the garden, you know, this thing's actually pretty cool. It's a really nice unit for the year that it is. You know, inexpensive. I advise to come check it out and actually see it in person, take it for a test drive, see what your thoughts are. You know, take it home. Come check it out at Carns Equipment or give us a call at 814-765-5684.